All right, we're back again, guys. This is Jeffrey with Fair by Trade, and we are going to look at one of these markets, right? Could be any one. Right now, we got the Dow up. We have the NASDAQ somewhere in play. We have the Russell somewhere in play. Let's throw the ES up there. Why not? Let the ES get some action. And we got about 35 seconds left before the market opens. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to see how everything is going to react. Let's do some sim. Make sure all of the charts are okay. Let's see what we're working with. I'd like to start off with the NASDAQ. So prepare, guys. All right, get your charts ready, and keep your hands off the mouse. Maybe for this first couple bars, maybe first bar if you bold, but it's gonna be jumpy in the beginning. So let's just hang tight and let's just see what we got. And man, if you're trading this too, guys, just let me know what you're trading, what you're looking for, right? I'm looking for a short. Every only thing I can see right now. I mean, you got this support right here. Be careful, but likely, look at all this pressure, man. Down here, it came back up to the 50, piling back down. So it's probably gonna happen again. All right, guys, let's keep that in mind. Now you'll probably hear a little boy pop in and out, all right, from time to time. And yeah, let's watch the charts. This is my other job, right? I'm actually working my real job, but I'm also going to be trading today too. And we're doing both, right? We're going to balance it both. You can't do both. Can't talk and trade at the same time as far as on the phone, but you definitely talk to yourself, which technically I'm doing until I post this video. All right, talk to myself through these trades, and I want to see which direction it wants to jump up. Right now, it's all noise, right? If you're shorting, depending on where your exit was, you could be in the game. Could be. See what you guys got. Who's trading, who's not trading. Wait for your setup. Just wait for it. NASDAQ's pretty standstill. Okay, let's see what the Russell has to offer. Not a bad move. Russell's trying to inch up. Okay, everybody's trying to take a boat except the NASDAQ, but NASDAQ's following its rules. It's in set up where you could take shorts, where you should be comfortable taking shorts, not longs, but more like scalp trades. So I'm curious to see what the Russell is looking to do. Had a big spike down too, but it didn't drop as hard as the NASDAQ. NASDAQ created a new low, which here we go, guys. So NASDAQ and Russell are pretty much doing the opposite, right? You got the Russell look like it wants to shoot up, possibly. And you got the NASDAQ like, I just want to go down. Sorry to pause for a second. I mean, look at what it's doing. It jumped down, like it was supposed to, but now look at this. I just assume that the Russell is gonna keep doing this thing, and nicely what we want to do, I mean, I kind of want to wait for a pullback. It's in this big range here, right? So I want to wait for a pullback Put these glasses on so I can see. Yeah, but I want to wait for a pullback on the Russell. So keep it on the Russell for a second. The Dow is making this move. Ooh, the ES is definitely making this move. Came down. The broker is trying to break this. But what you guys doing, man? Look at the. I'm gonna just focus on the Russell. The Russell may have a little rally. It's coming up to resistance a little in this little area here, right? So, you know, just be careful. Gonna give it its time. Mark little areas. I mean, NASDAQ just slow moving today. Russell slow moving. Let's see here. It's kind of at resistance here. Gotta be careful. Just be careful. They're both to me in a good direction. It failed. If anybody was shorting here, maybe this would have been, but I caught this a little too late. But not a bad move. And look at this one. This hasn't formed yet. So this may kind of do the same thing the ES is doing, depending on what that candlestick does. Oof, look at that ES. Okay, yeah. Could be a long opportunity, but that's a big red candle. Man, yeah, that wick is gonna be too long. Yeah, all right. Maybe we headed down, guys. Maybe shorting this Russell would be a good idea. And everybody else shot down. The ES shot down. NASDAQ shot down. The Dow shot down. Maybe the Russells do, but the Russells sometimes do its own thing, right? So let's see if the Russell kind of want to play along. So what you do, you test the strategy. Oh, this is still pointing up. You know what? I got in a little late, but I'm going to test this area, right? I'm going to test this area of value. And I want to see if, you know, we can get up here to the top of this candlestick. I'm not going to let it go against me too much. So I'm going to increase my stop here under this red candlestick. And maybe we can get a 1-to-1. Let's see. Or maybe not. But we have our stop for sure. Yeah, we got our stop for sure. Oh, look at that. All right, why did we get in? Wow, we got to the top. Yeah, can't be too disappointed. Let me put myself in the money up here. Okay, well, that's pretty beautiful. Let's see. Come on, Russell. Sometimes the Russell just does what it wants to do, right? And once it starts continuing up, it starts pushing through. And, you know, I don't know. I want to kind of So it's going to close above this area here. Oh yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm not going to let it go against me too much. I'll get under this bar here and we'll just take whatever profit. Let's just see what it wants to reward us. All right. That's one trade, guys. So we'll take that home. Missed that NASDAQ trade. Okay. All right, let's sit back. Let's focus on the next one. It's kind of stacked together. Gotta be careful. I don't trust that. Let's get rid of this area. Well, let's keep it. Russell. We snagged the Russell already. All right, look how far that came back, guys. Oof. That would have been a hitter to someone's pockets or confidence if you didn't get out. It happened to me plenty of times. It happened yesterday. So you gotta take them. Just take them while you can. It came to the top. You knew up here would be even more resistance. Snatch it. Yeah, just snatch it away. Let's keep an eye on the NASDAQ and see what this wants to do. If it wants to stay in like a little range area or if it's looking to make new lows. Let's see. The Russell look like it may want to take off, and we'll see, man. I don't know if it wants to range or not. Just be careful if you're trading this little area. It could drop down. All right, it really could. Came up here, created this double top. It could start falling down now. So let's see. And knowing me, I'm gonna follow my strategy and I'm going to enter straight. This is a big bear bar, but man, if I get 50-60 on this play, I'm likely to be happy with this trade. So I'm gonna bring this up a little higher, honestly, right under the 50 moving average. So kind of limits my loss a little. Sometimes you got to do what you say, right? Sometimes, right? Whether it's sim live, I'm gonna get out. Almost got me out, but I'm gonna get out. Yeah, that wasn't a really good entry. So we'll wait. All right, now we see what the Russell is signifying. Could be coming down now. It's at the 50. So let's see. Good old NASDAQ is still dropping. Here we go. All right. Got a little too early. Yeah, didn't wait until the pullback first. But my mistake. It's okay. Yeah, it happens. Yeah. 2 trades for the day. Yeah, 2 bad trades. Well, 1 really good trade, 1 bad trade. Ooh, look at that. All right, Mr. Russell, what are you looking to do? Pulled up strongly off this 50 moving average. Just a blue line. Yeah, pulled up pretty strong. I'm curious on what it wants to do. Curious on what he wants to do. What I want to do is I want to trade you. I want to hit the buy button so you can possibly go up and I can possibly make some money. You going down does me no favors. So let's continue up and see if you can reward me for my patience. All right, so the NASDAQ, I don't know. NASDAQ is still scrunching this rate down. Oh, Russell wasn't happy with that move. Ooh-wee. All right, Mr. Russell. Maybe I should apologize. Maybe I should apologize, Mr. Russell. Right? But I'm not gonna let you crucify me. All right. Let's see, where are we? Okay, no, back at 0. 3 trades, knock you out the game. It's a 10-point volatility on the NASDAQ, so we're going to be very careful on how we're trading it. This is my last trade. I limit myself to 4 trades, even though we're simming. I'm going to limit it to 4 trades. We'll go live October 1st, and we'll run all the way through October. Let's see. The NASDAQ is at the 50. I want to see what it wants to do. I shorted it at the 50. I feel comfortable with this one. Let's see if it's going to reward me any. Come on. Don't be shy. Okay, we'll take that 200. All right, guys, my last trade, ended up making 200 on that trade. I mean, you see how long it took, maybe 4 seconds, 5 seconds. And it can easily keep going, right? So why did I take this trade? Came up to the 50 moving average, and that's all I needed, right? Short rejection off of it. And as soon as this went, I just started to short it anywhere up in this little area. My first target was 200. I would have lost 100 on the play. So a 2-to-1 trade every time. All right. Took a couple of bad trades. Obviously, that first trade on the Russell was pretty good. But come on, man. Let's walk home with 200 added to a confident day. All right. Remember, these are both have a full-time job and a full-time trade. That's what we're going to go with. All right, guys. Man, you guys have a great day. It's been about almost 30 minutes. 20 minutes since we've been trading. If you're trading at 10 o'clock, sometimes the market moves funny, so be careful. I'm not sure if there's any news out today, but you guys be good. All right. Fair by trade. Just gonna get posted on YouTube. All right, guys. If you have any comments, man, like, subscribe, make a comment. Don't make a comment. What would you do different? Do you even trade? Are you trying to trade? All right, guys. Y'all take it easy.